May I proceed with the following issues? Your Honor, I would like to draw your kind attention to certain points mentioned by the petitioner. First of all, the petitioner is Mr. Rahul Singh and not Mr. Ram Singh, which was mentioned by the petitioner. And also the fact that the petitioners have mentioned that they have written a letter to the police commissioner. I would like to mention a point here that police commissioners have nothing to do in this issue because it is an issue and water is a state subject, and whatever decisions to be taken regarding water, pollution of water, prevention and control of water should be taken by the state, and the state has complete authority to do that. The petitioner could have approached the state directly instead of writing a letter to the police commissioner. In the given facts, the petitioner has mentioned that the petitioner's case was not, the petitioner was not given an opportunity to present his case, which is not true, Your Honor. The state government did hear the petitioner's case, and it also guided the petitioner with a provision that with respect to his religious rituals, the petitioner can immerse the same ashes of his grandfather into another river named Pavitra Nadi in the vicinity of Mangaleshwar district. The present Water Act 1972 is special legislation meant to deal with the measures necessary for prevention and control of water pollution, and its chief objectives are to provide further prevention and abatement of water pollution, to provide further establishment of central and state water prevention and control of pollution hazards. Article 51A, subclause A, also imposes as one of the fundamental duties on every citizen to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, flora, fauna and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Talking about the pollution, Your Honor, logically, when the industrial waste shall be measured with the quantity of ashes or asthis immersed, the weight of the ashes would be 10 times more than the industrial waste, because immersion of ashes has been carried out by ancient period and by millions of devotees. According to scientific facts, when a dead body starts decomposing, some harmful germs starts to grow into a shell-shaped cocoons. When the body is burnt, certain cocoons do not die, and when the ashes are immersed into the water, the cocoons burst and the germs are mixed with the water, and so they contaminate it, making it dangerous for consumption. As it has been observed that the Atma Shanti river and its water is considered holy by the devotees, and it has also been consumed by not only by human beings but also by the animals and people living in the vicinity. The state has raised a ban of 3 years, keeping in mind the benefits for the devotees living in that vicinity, so that if we clean the water and make it pollution free, it can be consumable for the people living there. I would also like to draw your kind attention to certain points mentioned by the petitioner in the memorial. First of all, the petitioner is mentioning that the petitioner is a citizen of India, which, Your Honor, I would like to say that there is nowhere mentioned in the facts that the petitioner is a citizen of India or not. The petition has also mentioned that this petition has been filed by petitioner under Article 121 of the Constitution of India, thereby challenging the order passed by Government of India. Your Honor, there was no order passed by the Government of India. The order was passed by the Government of Brahmadesh regarding this ban. And Article 121 of the Constitution of India is basically the language to be spoken in Parliament. The petitioner states that his grandfather expired on 12/11/2013. There's no date as such given in the facts. The petitioner states that the decision of preventing pollution in the said river is taken arbitrarily and with political motive. Your Honor, arbitrary is not decided by rules or laws, but by a person. There is no person who has decided this, and it is the state of Brahmadesh who has decided this. Petitioner has also mentioned that the petitioner state that since the wish of the father of the petitioner, which is grandfather, was that his asthi should be immersed in the Atma Shanti Ghats, and if it is not done, it will cause great loss, and the soul of the father, it will not be calm, and that will cause great suffering to mental and emotional feeling of the petitioner. Your Honor, I would like to say that the state has got nothing to do with the petitioner's mental feelings, and this is just the people and devotees' beliefs that if they immerse their ashes, their soul will rest in peace and stuff. The petitioner states that he had written a letter to the Commissioner of Police, as mentioned before, of the state of Brahmadesh, stating seeking permission to immerse asthi of his grandfather. Your Honor, I would like to say that no devotee needs to seek permission from the state or from anybody for doing this, because it is their religious belief, and the state and the Constitution of India gives complete right to every devotee who wants to exercise their religious rituals as per their needs. The petitioner states that in the committee report it was revealed that the level of dissolved oxygen was found nil at some places, and at other places the dissolved oxygen was below the required level of neutral water. Therefore, the asthi should not be immersed in the said river. Your Honor, if the petitioner himself is saying that the asthi should not be immersed in the said water, I don't understand what's the reason behind this case. Your Honor, if you are convinced with the contentions that I have presented, may I rest and allow my learned counsel to proceed. Thank you. Highly obliged.